Mama's going to put it here. I'm going to go away. And when I come back, if it's still there,
No!
if it's still there, you're going to get 2. If it's still there, you're going to get 2. Okay. I'm coming now. Put it here. Put it here in the middle so you can see. Put it in the middle so you can see. I'm coming back now. You can get 2. Do you want 2? Do you want 2? You want 2? Okay. Wait for Mama. I'm coming now. Okay, you can get 2. Put it here. Put it here in the middle. Okay, wait for Mama.
Not 5.
I'm coming back.
Not
now.
5.
2.
Only 2.
2.
Otherwise, the Easter egg. No.
Okay. I'm coming now. You're gonna get 2. You can get 2. Okay, I'm coming back now. Okay, I'm coming now. When I come back, you get 2. Okay?
No. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. No. Baba, Banshee, have you any? No. There's no fun going in the water and in the fun. No. I like that song. That's my song. I'm saying, no, you're gonna have it now. It's going to melt and you can eat it. Mama. Mommy's coming now. And then you're gonna make a pyramid and then we're not gonna eat the Easter egg. We're gonna get 2. Mama. We're gonna get 2. Will you get the green one or Tyler's gonna get the blue one? I'm gonna get the blue one. This is my blue one and that one is yours. Not now. We're gonna make a pyramid. Mama! And we set it on the chest nicely and then we make our elements like this. And then we make it like this and then we play the dolphin go in the water. Okay, Mommy's coming now. Boom! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boom! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boom! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, boom! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boom! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boom! 1, 2, boom! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Like this. Ow!
Did it melt? You still had both eggs? What does that mean now?
Egg.
What does it mean?
What's inside? Chocolate.
It means you waited for Mommy to come. And now you get
2. Thank you.
Okay, now you give Sienna's hers. Give Sienna hers. Good job, girls. Well done.
Wait, not